You alright? Just follow me. Oh, this one a big problem, brother.
What's the problem?
The fucking screw is a bit loose.
Alright, I'm just gonna be here and just give me a shout when you need me.
No problem. Fucking hell, man. You alright? There's motherfucking spider in the fucking shower rack. What the fuck is the problem? Listen, Spider-Man fucking Peter Parker, motherfucker. Finish.
All done.
I fucking fixed.
How much is the price?
500, please.
You said 50 on the phone.
No.
Now, mate, are you taking the piss?
Did you fucking fix the shower? Give me the fucking 500, bruh.